Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you listen to music with one earphone? So, you can remove only one earbud from the charging case or put only one earbud to the charging case and then close it. And listen music with one earbud. And to prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here, as you can see, we still have connection. But you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with another device. Only both of these earbuds to the device, but these earbuds support dual connection, so you can enable it and you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously. To do this, you need to go to Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then scroll down and go to additional settings, and right here make sure that you enable this dual connection. So then you can just pair your earbuds with a second device. If you don't know how, you can check the video at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!